Good. I'm gonna hook around there so I feel that spot there. Good. This is gonna help us open up that accordion. Let your chest go. Thank you.
Oh, thank goodness. I'm dreaming about that. It feels like I can never take a deep breath in there. Even when we were dating, my wife was wondering what I was doing, backing up to things, the counters, and just like trying to pop, you know, trying to get some relief. And I've been to so many chiropractors trying to get them to understand how congested it feels.
It's probably like the best breath I've heard in a long time.
For so long. Oh, it feels great. It's so nice not to feel that spot right now.
Yeah.
It's like, it just, and it's not, you know, you don't like to complain, and it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt, but just.
But it's like this, like
it's just there.
Pinpoint restriction.
It's just there.
Man, 18 years of feeling that, it's no joke.
Oh my God, it feels so good.
Good.
It feels so good. It feels so good.
Beautiful. Okay.
Oh, that was awesome.